Hello, my name is Kayvon Young-Reaves. This is for my computer science 330 intro to software engineering class. Today we will be working with a ingredient class and a recipe class, but now we have to include attributes for ID name, unit, calories per unit, protein per unit, carbs per unit, and they must be positive. The name also must be between 1 and 100 characters. Implement a recipe class, which we have, but now we have an ingredients, match the ingredients and the amounts, and we must include two new methods, add ingredient and print ingredient. So if we go to the code, if we go to my code, we can go to the top. Well, first we'll do the ingredient. You see, we have our instance variables, name, unit, calories per unit, protein per unit, carbs per unit. Our loaded constructor. There's two things that through research I realized that I could do. I created two methods to check the string length and check if the integer was positive. So I came down, if you come down here and look at my check name method, these are inputs, this method takes in the name from the instance variable, and then it checks and see if the length is below 1 or if the length is more than 100. And if it is, it tells them that they must enter a name between 1 and 100 characters. Gives them another chance. Returns the new name. Down here, it's kind of the same concept. Inputs a value, string type, so we know which type it is. If we were dealing with calories, protein, or carbs, if the value is less than 0, gives them a chance to input another number or value and returns that other value. Have my getters and my sets. So if we go over to recipe, I have included my ingredient array and my double amounts, or my double array amounts. So here's the the constructor that we will be using, which is right here. Have my instance variables right there set. So to add an ingredient, that's later. It's very simple. Two parameters, ingredient I and double amount. Of course, all we have to do is I don't want to say put in, but put in, or it starts at 0. The place it's not pointing to right now, but is located right now 0, and then assigns that to the ingredient. So is the amount, and then to go through that array, we just increment the 0 all the way through, and for print, that's what we're doing. Yeah. And for print, just have a little funky little setup. I'm just get my name, get the name, print out the name, print out my amount, and so forth. I'll show you how it works. It's new code. So it's my new tester object recipe. My new recipe tester object. It's gonna be 1 for the ID. It's gonna be cookies, and let's do 1.45. Then we have our ingredients. We have flour, eggs, sugar, chocolate, jelly. Then we have 5 little test cases with flour all the way down to jelly, and our print. So you may see a little bit more, but we'll just stop before this pause right here. See right here, here's one of my checks in my ingredient. So here's a negative number, and I guess that does it. Yeah, check for that too. But right here, looks like calories is under 200, so it gives us a chance to put in a positive number. So let's do 200 even, and there we go. Updates that, runs through all the code, prints out my flour, my egg, my sugar, my chocolate, and my jelly. And that is it for implementation A.